Yeah, welcome back. So today I'll be teaching us on how we are going to be using the Snapseed to also enhance our pictures or any of our designs. So just follow more closely. If you don't have the Snapseed, you go to your Google Play Store and then you search for Snapseed. You search for Snapseed. Sorry for that. Okay, now this is it. Now because I've already installed it, it's showing update. So if you have not yet installed it, it will show installed. Then you just click on it and then follow the process. So let me go to my own Snapseed app now. So this is it, Snapseed. Then you open it. Now this is the home page. See this plus sign is where you are going to add your picture or whatever design you are going to use. So I want to enhance this particular picture. Now you see immediately I added this picture, all this icon pop up, this looks, tools, exports. This is if you want to save after you are done with every of your editing. That is for the export. Then the tools, these are the tools on the app. I'm just going to be running through them one after the other, but please, whenever you are editing or enhancing your picture or your design, make sure you don't use all the tools. It's just to add some little effect. You can't just pack all the, it's just like someone doing makeup and then you see the person just comes out looking like masquerade. You understand? So make sure that it is just some little touch, but I'm going to show us every of the tools so that we can see how it works. So this is the looks, this is last edit, then this is portrait. If you want it to appear as a portrait, then please, whenever you are using this app, make sure your data is on. It's not an offline app. Then this one is smooth. I just want you to see every of the effect. This is pop. Can we see? This is accentuate. This is faded glow. This is morning. This is bright, fine art, just like a black and white. Touch. This is structure. So you can give your design or your picture any look. So that is that. So let me go back to the current one, which is the actual picture. So that's that on the looks. You can put your design to be in any look of your choice. Then let's go to the tools. Then this one is to just turn the brightness of light on the image. You understand? So just turn the brightness. You understand? If you want it to, you can select it from here. Just click on this icon, then select the type of brightness, contrast. You understand? Saturation. Just do all to go over it. The more you operate it, the more you check out the interface, the more you see how it works. So you don't just leave it like that. After you watch the video, you try it out on your own, then go back to the tools. I'm just showing us how some of this works. Then details. Can you see? You can see it's changing some things on the picture. Okay, so let's say just click on this. You can use your hand on the screen to drag it, or you just click on this. If you want it to be sharpened, then you increase the level of sharpening. You understand? You drag it forward to increase, then you drag it back to reduce. Then if it is the structure you also want to reduce, you drag it forward to increase, you drag it back, or just hold your screen back then front to increase, then hold it back to reduce. The same thing, go to the tools again. This is curves. So can you see? So all these are different functions. Just like I said, you can't add all the effects on your pictures, so you can just give it little. So you can do a lot with Snapseed. You can do a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a whole lot. Then you can change it to green. You can change it to blue. So let's undo it. So those are the curves. You can try out more, you can check more features. Then white balance. So let's check the white balance. Can you see if you take it back, it will reduce. If you drag it forward, it will increase. Can you see? Then you can change the temperature here, and then the tint. This is the tint now. So just click on this middle part, then to select either you want to increase the temperature or you want to increase the tint. So tinting it forward, that's to increase, is you drag it forward. Then to reduce, you drag it back with your hands. So that's that for that. Go back to tools. So there are a lot of tools. Then this one, if you want to crop, maybe I want to crop it, I don't want it to be this large, so let me crop so that you can see. Can we see it now? I've cropped it. So let me undo it. I'm undoing it with this top arrow here. Can we see that? Undo. So undo to the actual image we are using. Then rotate. If you want it to rotate, any angle you want it to rotate to, just press it. Can you see? You rotate, you allow it to turn. Then if you want it to flip, this one is flip. So flip to the left, flip to the right. So that's that for that. So there are lots of functions. Then this one is perspective. If you want it to face this side like this, you can do it like that. But remember what I said, you don't apply every of the effects on your designs. You understand? So for the perspective, you can still rotate it as well. You can still rotate it and then give it the look that you want. So just try out every of these functions. Then we also have expand. If you want it to increase more than the actual size, so let's expand it. Let's expand it. So that is for expand. Okay, so let me undo it. Okay, then selective, just to select a particular point and then you concentrate on that part. So this one is just to select a particular point. So that's just that for selective. So let's go back to let me go to current. Okay, so the tools now, then brush. Now this brush is, you can use it to do a whole lot of things. You can just, okay, this is dodge and brush. So you can see I'm applying it just to create, to make the whole picture and the background to look different. You understand? So this one is brush. You can do a whole lot. You can do a whole lot with this Snapseed. It's a very good app that you can actually work with. So that's it. Can we see it now? So go back to your tools. Still on brush, you can see another type. You understand? This another brush type. Can we see it? So you can do a whole lot with it. Then you can try out some other ones. So let me undo it. Undo. So that's for brush. Then healing is just to create different effect. You understand? Can we see it? Just like you want to fade a particular side. You understand? So that's that for healing. But let me undo it with this. Okay, that's for healing. Then for HRO landscape, so let's check out the brightness. Then you drag it forward to increase, you drag it back with your hand to reduce. So that's that for that. So there are so many functions, glamour, glow, any how you want the picture to appear. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and so on and so forth. So that's that for that. Go back to tools again. Everything you are editing is on tools. So that's that for that. Okay. Then we have drama 1, drama 2, bright 1, bright 2, dark 1, dark 2, and so on and so forth. So just try out different functions on it. Then vintage 1, vintage 2, vintage 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You understand? You can just try out different functions. Then if you want the saturation, just press it, drag it forward to increase, drag it back to reduce. So that's that for that. You go to tools again. So anything you want to do is here. Graining film. All these are just different pattern the pictures can appear. You understand? So it's very, very simple and easy to work with. Then this one, you want to add some effect on it as well. So just try out different things. Just pick a picture and then try it out. But remember what I said, don't add all the effects on your designs. Then this one is black and white, then different pattern that the black and white should appear. So that's that for that. Then this one is now the same thing, different effects. You can just pick anyone. Tools again, portrait. Can you see it? Portrait, none, spotlight 1. So your picture can look, you can edit it very, very neat. Then if you want it to appear pale, fair, medium, dark, anyhow you want it to be, you can put it there. So head pose. Now if you want the head to rotate like this, you shift it. So as I said, if you want it to rotate like this, can you see the head is rotating? This app is so lovely. So anyhow you want it to be, just then lens blur. If you want the lens to be blurred, not too sharp. Transition, so let's increase the transition or reduce it. You can increase it or you can reduce it. So that's that. Snapseed, you can do a lot with it. Okay. Then vignette, you can select outer brightness, click on it, then drag it forward to increase, drag it back to reduce. Can you see it? I think I love this vignette so well. Okay. Then which other tools again? Double exposure. Okay, this double exposure, I just like it. I want to add another picture to it. So let me just show you an example. Then click on this plus sign here to add a particular picture. So let me add this one. Just hold on for it. Okay, so I've added it. So now I'm going to reduce it. Then I can just edit it briefly. Maybe I want it to be light, I want it to be dark. Oh, sorry about that. Let me take that again. Double exposure. I'll click on this plus sign. Okay, so let me reduce this. I just brought in now. So let me edit this now. I want it to be light. I added it to it. You can subtract or overlay. You understand? So let me go back to the default. Then you can overlay it that it will. So you can do different kind of things on it with this double. So that is that. So let me just pick the lighting. Okay, I think the HUD will be much more better. Then let me reduce it. Can we see it? So that is that for the double exposure. Then text, if you want to add text, just click on it, double click, double tap here to change the text. So you can say happy birthday Ayo. So, and then you can change the font, you can change the color of the text, and then you move on. Go to the tools, then frame. If you want to frame it, different kind of frame. So just do well to practice with it. So if you want to save, which is the final stage, just click on export, then click on save. Can we see it has saved to your photo? So let's view it. So this is it. So thank you so much. Do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, keep sharing and liking. See you in the next video. Make sure you practice. Thank you.